I'm now going to compare motor sound between Becen and SHEHDS. So I'm going to do one at a time to isolate the sound, but I'm going to show you how loud each company's motors are comparably. So I'm going to go ahead and set the Becen 19 by 15 watt to auto, and I'll let you guys hear what the motor sounds like. Alright, now we're going to head over to SHEHDS 36 by 18 watt wash. This is their zoom wash. I'm going to go ahead and let this run so you can kind of hear the motor on it. So we're going to go ahead and put her in auto run. So comparing both of these fixtures in terms of motor noise, the SHEHDS 36 by 18 motors, they are not terribly loud, but they do have a lot of coil whine, and coil whine is a literally whiny sounding noise that the motors make when they're being applied power. And between the two, the SHEHDS has a much louder coil whine to it. Sometimes it can get pretty loud. And by loud, I'm not talking about you're going to hear it from 10 feet away, but up close you can hear the coil whine on the 36 by 18. Whereas Becen's 19 by 15 watt has little to no coil whine, which I was actually surprised to find out. But between both of them, they're about comparable in terms of motor noise, except the Becen's slightly less noticeable with the whine part of it. Also, with the 19 by 15 watt, the front lens element, when it's zooming in and out, I can barely hear it on this light fixture. And on SHEHDS 36 by 18, it's actually quite loud. I'm not sure why. I guess because of the guide rods in the back are exposed on this light fixture, and they're actually inside of the plastic housing on Becen, so I don't hear any noise when this is zooming. This one, I hear noise sometimes, and it's noticeable, I'm gonna say, when you're sitting next to it. Further away, you're not gonna hear it, but I do believe it's because the guide rods in the back of this are open, they're exposed, so you can actually hear the noise a lot better than you can on Becen's 19 by 15.